Question number 1. The first Winter Olympics was held in which year? Answer 1924. The 1924 Winter Olympics, officially known as the Olympics Winter Games event, was held in 1924 in France. Question number 2. The first Summer Olympics was held in which year? Answer 1896. The 1896 Summer Olympics, officially known as the Game of the Olympiad, was an international multi-sports game event which was celebrated in Athens, Greece. Question number 3. Which color represents Asia in Olympic ring? Answer yellow. Question number 4. Where did the 2018 Winter Olympics held? Answer South Korea. The 2018 Winter Olympics in South Korea. Question number 5. How many countries participated in the 2018 Winter Olympics? Answer 92. The 2018 Winter competitor hailed from 92 different countries around the world and athletes from 6 of the countries. Where is the headquarters of International Olympic Committee situated? Answer Switzerland. The International Olympic Committee is a private non-governmental organization based in Lausanne, Switzerland. Question number 7. Who is the present president of International Olympic Committee? Answer Thomas Bach. Thomas Bach is the 9th and current president of the International Olympic Committee and a former member of the German Olympic sports. Question number 8. Who is the first Indian woman to join the International Olympic Committee? Answer Neeta Ambani. Neeta Ambani, the chairman of Reliance Foundation, has been elected as an individual member of the International Olympics Committee. Question number 9. Who is the current president of the Indian Olympics Committee? Answer Narendra Batra. International Hockey Federation Chief Narendra Batra was elected unopposed as the president of the Indian Olympic Association. Question number 10. Who was the first Indian woman to ever win an Olympic medal? Answer Karnam Malleshwari. The first Indian woman to ever win an Olympic medal was Karnam Malleshwari, who won a bronze medal at the Sydney Olympics in the women's 69 kg category in weightlifting. Question number 11. Which of the following country was banned in Winter Olympics 2018? Answer Russia. Russia Olympic team had been banned from the 2018 Winter Games in South Korea. Question number 12. Where did the 2022 Winter Olympics held? Answer Beijing. Beijing was selected as the host city of the 2022 Winter Olympics. Where did the Summer Olympics 2020 held? Answer Japan. Tokyo 2020 will host the XXI Olympic Summer Games. Question number 14. What is the motto of Olympics? Answer Swifter, Higher and Stronger. Question number 15. Who is the first Indian to win an individual gold medal at Olympics? Answer Abhinav Bindra. So guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video and the video is helpful for you, so please make sure like, comment, share and subscribe. Meet you soon. Thanks.